Good afternoon, friends. I've been trying to find a way to write about this, and I decided, you know what, I think I can do a better job speaking about it. So there's been a few incidents since I've been here in Jamaica. It's been 3 weeks I just love this country. I love the people. I love everything about it. But I just wanted to share with you, all week I was going to the Marina to hang out and do my work and really enjoy the restaurant there, which is a beautiful space. It's part of a public marina that's all been refurbished. It's called the Errol Flynn Marina. And the restaurant has a swimming pool in it. And the swimming pool is for the people who come in on the boats from the marina, and they're all, so far as I've seen, they've all been white people who swim and use the pool and use the restaurant and have drinks and food and so on. So all week I've been swimming in the pool. I don't have a boat. No one questioned that, of course, because my skin's white and I fit in. And I wasn't trying to get away with anything. In fact, the manager of the restaurant, who's Cuban, was so cool about everything. He said it was no problem for me to swim there. And I mean, it's just part of the restaurant, kind of, you know. It's the way they've set it up is really what I'm upset about. Well, actually, no. What I'm really upset about is what happened yesterday. So all week. So yesterday was Thursday, so that's the fourth day. So yesterday, I invited a friend of mine who's Black Jamaican, very dark, what you guys say, blue-black, you know, very dark-skinned Jamaican, to come there and meet me for a drink. So he came there, and he wasn't coming for a swim or anything like that. I was going to have a swim, and the security guard came up and told him that he has to tell me that the management says that I'm not allowed to swim in the pool. So he said, no, you need to tell her that, not me. That's not up to me to do that. So the security guard came and told me that, and I just was like, okay, because I knew that that was the rule, but I observed all week, and I did swim in the pool all week, and there was no problem. So I know that this changed because a Black person was with me in that bar. And there have been very, very few Black people in the bar. So to me, it's one of those spaces. This is only my opinion and my observation, but I observe that the management of the Errol Flynn Marina, and I hope Michael Lee Chin hears this, it seems to me that they're trying to keep that space very white in a country of Black people. And I'm very, very upset that they would, I don't care that they're calling on me to follow the rules. I'm cool with that. But I know the only reason they did that was because a Black man was with me. So that's the part that I'm really calling out, you know. So then we left and went to the beach. They have a beach, what do they call it? Bikini Beach, to go swimming there. And it was 5 to 5. And the security guard came, a woman, and said, we can't swim there because they're locking the gates. So this is another thing now. This is another issue, but it's like, what are you talking about? How can you lock the beach? First of all, like, that was always a public space for people from Port Antonio have gone swimming in that area. We used to call it the Reef. And the first hotel that was ever built in Jamaica for tourism was the Reef at that area, which burnt down. And then we always went swimming at the Reef, and it was a public space. So now they've made this other beach they call Bikini Beach, and they lock it up at 5 o'clock. And I'm like, what in the heck is going on? Are you telling me that the people of Port Antonio can't go and swim in their own public area because somebody decided to lock a gate at 5 o'clock at night?
What's up, guys? Welcome again to my channel. I believe that you're doing fine. If this is the first time that you are seeing and coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. And also put your thumb up. Today I'm going to talk about the white lady who exposed what is going on at Jamaica, because she felt very bad the way the Black man was treated at Jamaica. And that was not good at all, because she was white and she had visited a restaurant. She was treated well. She was given all attention. She was given all the freedom that she deserved. But when she invited her Black friend, she was mistreated and she was denied the chances of having the freedom the way the white lady was having. And that was very bad and ruined the mood of the white lady. And she stood up and exposed that thing because she felt bad. She's a white person from other country visiting the Jamaican. But the way she was treated, she felt at home. She felt like she's in a good place. But when they invited a black friend, the way he was treated, the treatment that she got was so bad and made her to feel, no, this is not right and I need to speak out. And that's the reason why she gave out this information. I need you to listen and
That just doesn't make sense to me at all. And you know, the sad thing is that hardly anybody is using that area because of all these rules. And I said to the security, like, this is Jamaica. What kind of rules are these? All these Jamaican rules. I've never heard of these rules before. What are you guys trying to do? I think you're trying to keep the public out of their own spaces. You're trying to keep that marina for the white people that come as tourists. And that is wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. That space is a public space. That's for the people of Port Antonio. And if you want to have your little swimming pool for the rich white people that come in on their yachts and get drunk and try to, no, I'm going to stop. Okay, I'm not going to go there. Take that back. If you want to do that, then build the swimming pool somewhere else. Don't have it in the restaurant that we all want to use. That's the only place in that whole area where you can get changed or do anything where there's a washroom. All the other washrooms they've built and the other public buildings they've built are all totally run down and not being used. And I'm calling out the Jamaica Tourist Board and whoever's running this Errol Flynn Marina to smarten up and get these buildings fixed and start allowing the public to come back in and use their space. That space shouldn't just be for the white people that come in on boats, the rich white tourists that come from all over the world. No, this is for Port Antonio, for the people that live here. So that's it for today. And I'm glad I got that out. And I'd love to hear from you. I know there are other people, especially in mixed race couples who are Jamaican, that experience this. The black partner gets interrogated and stopped and questioned, and you know, the white person just walks right through. We have all the privilege in the world. Nobody ever stops us. Nobody ever says a damn thing to us. So I just feel sick that that's happening in this country. And I really want to call it out, and I want to have a discussion about it. I want to have a conversation. I want to start this conversation to really try to bring awareness. And if any of you are watching and listening and you know who I should be contacting in regards to the Errol Flynn Marina, which I understand Michael Lee Chin did a lot to redevelop that. But as far as I understand, that's still a public space. You know, who I should speak to, or if you know a person of influence, if you want to pass on my video to them so they know what's going on, I would really appreciate it. Okay. Thanks, everyone. Have a good day.
welcome back. I believe that you have seen the way this white woman exposed and speaks out what she felt about the Jamaican, the way they mistreated the black man. And that's not good. You need to be equal. It's not because that we black people, we don't feel the same way in our own country. We are like, it's like being mistreated in your own country, and that's not good. That's something that it should stop. I've experienced this thing, by the way. I visited another hotel, and the way I was treated, I felt like, no, this is not the way I'm supposed to be treated. But when they see a white woman or a white man coming in the restaurant, they treat her with much care, much love, and you feel like, oh, who am I? Am I not the same as that white person, or am I not going to receive the same treatment? And that's not good. We need to treat everyone equally because you're all human beings. No matter the color, no matter you're blue, black, red, or whatever the color, you're not supposed to be mistreated. You're supposed to be given the attention the same way the other people are being treated. We are all human beings. We need that equality. We need to be treated well. We need that love. That's why you see Bob Marley gave out the song One Love, meaning that we need to have that love all over the country, not just because you're white or because you're black, you're going to be treated with love because you are a white person. You're going to be treated well. You're going to be given the full attention. You're going to get the chances of having your own freedom, enjoying the environment, while the black person is being mistreated by being denied the chance of enjoying the environment, enjoying the meal that he ordered, or being given the full service the same way the white person is being given. And that's not good. I really thank this white lady because he have really exposed some things that other people cannot expose. Other people cannot come out to speak out because they see, if I speak out, what will happen to me? But not, that should not be the case. You need to speak out. You need to tell out that these things that these people are doing is not good. Why should you not get the same treatment the same way this lady was given, the same treatment that the white person is being given in your own country? You can imagine it's your own country, but you're being mistreated. That's not good. You see the way this lady said that when she visits the hotel, the manager and the workers there, they gave her the full service, the full attention. But the moment she invited the friend from black area, he was mistreated. He was denied the chance of going to the pool and having the pleasure of swimming. He was being mistreated, and that's made her to feel bad. And that's the reason why she decided to speak out. And speaking out, definitely, I believe all of you have seen the video. Please don't allow you to be mistreated or being treated badly in your own country. Speak out. Let us support each other. Let us love each other. Let us treat each other the same way we give other people from other country the chances of having the pleasure and enjoying the environment and enjoying the culture. And that's the reason why you get some people don't love to visit some area because they see that if I go there, I'll not get that chance of enjoying the environment or enjoying the full service that I deserve. And that's not good. We need to have good reasons. We need to make people feel at home, no matter the culture, no matter the color, no matter the area that you come from. As long as you're just a human being, you need to be treated right. And that's what this woman decided to speak out, and that's a good thing. And also me, I have to speak out because that's not fair. Imagine going in a hotel, sitting, waiting for waiter to come and ask you what do you want or to give you the full service. You're sitting even 2 hours without being attended to, and that's not good. We need to be treated right as other people. You need to get the full service like other people because you're also spending and also promoting your people. If they don't give you the service, definitely you will stop promoting, and that's not what we want. We want love, one love, and that should be the motto for everyone. Please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe also, and put your thumb up, and I will appreciate it. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.